SocialSignal AI is the latest AI tool that's been making waves in the digital marketing world, and today I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released software. If you've been hearing a lot about SocialSignal AI and wondering if it's really as good as they say, stick around because I'm diving deep into what makes it stand out. First things first, if you're looking to try SocialSignal AI for yourself, you can grab it completely free through the first link in the description below. But before you jump in, let's take a look at why it's causing such a stir in the AI world. Now, SocialSignal AI is designed to simplify digital marketing like never before, using cutting-edge AI algorithms that optimize everything from social media campaigns to content creation. But here's where it gets really interesting. The AI actually learns from your past data, meaning it evolves over time, getting smarter and more accurate the more you use it. This isn't just a static tool, it adapts, making it a smart choice for marketers who want to stay ahead. One of the standout features of SocialSignal AI is its ability to automatically generate high-quality, engaging social media content that resonates with your target audience. And let's be clear, creating content that hits the mark every time can be time-consuming and a headache. With this tool, you can create posts in seconds without sacrificing quality. It pulls from the latest trends and insights to ensure your content is relevant and impactful. But it doesn't stop there. SocialSignal AI also offers real-time performance tracking. This is a game changer for marketers. You can track how your content is performing across different platforms in real time and tweak it on the fly. No more guessing games. You'll know exactly what's working and what's not. Another feature I'm really impressed by is the automated outreach functionality. SocialSignal AI lets you create custom outreach campaigns and reach out to influencers, potential partners, or customers, all while saving tons of time. You can set up your criteria, and the AI takes care of the rest, finding the best prospects for your campaign. What makes SocialSignal AI truly unique, though, is its analytics dashboard. It's one of the most comprehensive dashboards I've seen, providing deep insights into your audience, their behavior, and how your campaigns are impacting your business goals. If you're a digital marketer, you know how critical data is for shaping your strategy, and SocialSignal AI gives you everything you need in one easy-to-use interface. Let's talk integrations. SocialSignal AI seamlessly integrates with some of the biggest marketing platforms out there, from Google Ads to Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. This means you can bring all your data together and manage everything from one centralized hub. If you're someone who juggles multiple tools, this is a huge time saver. Finally, the last thing you need to know is that SocialSignal AI is incredibly user-friendly. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find the interface intuitive and easy to navigate. No steep learning curve, just plug it in and start optimizing. So, if you're new to SocialSignal AI, know that this tool is packed with features that can seriously level up your marketing efforts. And remember, you can try it for free by clicking the first link in the description below. If you're serious about boosting your marketing efforts, this tool could be a game changer. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed down my recommendations, and the ones listed in the description are the ones I've found to be the best. Try them out for free and see what works for your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.